Ready? Start. While applying the principle of a horizontal reservation, category has a role to play as at the point of time when a horizontal reservation is to be pressed, then based on merits. Candidates in question are to be adjusted in their perspective social category. A candidate who has proceeded to make an application for the purpose of horizontal reservation under the OBC, SC, ST category cannot be permitted to change his or her category. Whereas in vertical reservation, once you are selected on merits, such a change is permissible by operation of a law, subject to his oblique her desires to remain as a general candidate. Apex Court in the case of Ritesh Shah versus Dr. Y.L. Yamul 1996 bracket 3 SCC 253 also took the view that candidates belonging to reserve category who could be admitted on the basis of open merits should be treated as open category candidates for the purposes of computing reservation, but they should be given their first option for admission to graduate oblique postgraduate courses in colleges where seats are kept for reserve category, and thereafter less meritorious candidates be considered for admission in whichever college reserves seat is available. Full stop. Subsection 5 of Section 4 of 2006 Act is in line with the aforesaid judgment of Apex Court as meritorious candidate has been given an option to remain as a general candidate or to exercise his option for the reserve seats. Full stop. His oblique her merit as a general candidate would give a larger choice, that is to opt for unreserved seat and can also go in for reserve category seats para. In view of this, once a candidate has specified his oblique her category in reference to special reservation, then he oblique she has to be adjusted in their respective categories, and the reserve category candidate in horizontal reservation cannot ask for placement against open category by claiming they have higher merits inasmuch as at the point of time of providing horizontal reservation adjustment is to be made, then various adjustment is required to be done as per the formula that has been approved and ratified by the Apex Court. In the matter of a horizontal reservation, adjustment would be made by making appropriate placement in appropriate categories. Full stop. The Apex Court was conscious of these facts that such a provision may be subjected to misuse, and accordingly position was sought to be clarified by giving examples and then providing that if a horizontal reservation is not satisfied, then alone a requisite number of special reservation candidates have to be taken and accommodated adjusted against their respective social reservation categories. Full stop. Here before us during the course of arguments, this fact has been considered that while applying the principle of horizontal reservation, the criteria prescribed for vertical reservation has been adhered to inasmuch as opposite party number 5 was higher in merits, and in view of this she has been called based on her state rank at earlier point of time Then at the said point of time as one seat at GSVM Medical College, Kanpur reserved for NCC, OBC stood fill up the second NCC open category seat which was lying vacant has been offered to her para. In the matter of horizontal reservation, once the reservations in question is a compartmentalized one, then every candidate has to be placed in the fixed place as per the social class from which he/she hails. Full stop. When overall horizontal reservation is to be pressed, then based on merits candidate in question are to be adjusted in their respective categories and the candidates who are at the bottom of the list as per the merits will have to make a place for horizontal category candidates irrespective of the social class to which they belong.